You don't just wake up one day as the person you want to become. It takes intention, it takes practice, it takes habit. The truth is, most people are reacting to life, not creating it. They are caught in the rush, the noise, the pressure. But highly effective people, truly effective people, they choose to step out of that current. They choose growth over comfort, vision over distraction, and purpose over routine. And it starts with how they live every single day. Real change doesn't come from what you know, it comes from what you do with what you know. It comes from aligning your thoughts, your decision, and your behavior with principles that stands the test of time. Not trends, not shortcuts, but principles that sharpen your character, discipline your thinking, and shape your legacy. Being effective is not about being busy. It's about being intentional. It's about asking yourself, am I living my values or just moving through motions? Am I building a life that matters or am I just managing chaos? The difference between those who lead and those who follow is simple. Leaders live by principles. They begin with the end in mind. They choose their response instead of blaming the world. They create the results they want by becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts those results. The first and most powerful shift begins inside. Habit number 1, be proactive. You are not a product of your past. You are not a victim of your environment. You are the creator of your response. Between stimulus and response, there is a space, and in that space lies your power. Your power to choose, to lead, to rise. That is where freedom begins. Not in changing what's around you, but in taking responsibility for what's within you. Then you shift your vision. You stop reacting to what's urgent and start building what's important. That's habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. Know who you want to be, not just what you want to have. Define success on your terms. Because if you don't write your own script, someone else will. And you will wake up one day living a life that looks impressive on the outside but feels hollow on the inside. That's not fulfillment. That's a distraction wearing a mask. So you prioritize. Habit number 3, put first things first. You stop spending your energy managing crisis and start investing it in building foundations. Say no to what doesn't align. Say yes to what matters. Protect your time like your future depends on it, because it does. The most successful people are not the busiest, they are the most focused. And when you live with clarity, something powerful happens. You stop competing and you start collaborating. Habit number 4, think win-win. You begin to understand that leadership is not domination, it's cooperation. It's choosing integrity over ego. It's lifting others while staying grounded in your principles. It's believing that we can all rise together without losing our authenticity. That's when you really start listening. Habit number 5, seek first to understand. than to be understood. Not just hearing words, but understanding people. Stop trying to win arguments and start building trust. Stop talking over people and start paying attention. Listening is not a passive act, it's a deliberate discipline. And when you master it, you build bridges where others build walls. From that place of trust, synergy is born. Habit number 6, synergize. You begin to value differences, not just tolerate them. You realize that your way isn't the only way. That when minds come together with humility and purpose, the results are greater than any single person could have imagined. That's not compromise, that's creation. That's what it means to lead at a higher level. But none of this sustains if you don't renew yourself. Habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Your body, your mind, your heart, your soul, they are your instruments. If you don't care for them, you dull your edge. Highly effective people invest in themselves, not out of vanity, but out of duty. They read, they rest, they reflect, they grow, because they know to serve others well, you must first be whole within yourself. These habits are not goals, they are not one-time achievements. They are a lifestyle, a mindset, a quiet revolution inside you that transforms how you think, how you lead, how you live. You won't master them overnight, but every day you live them, you become stronger, wiser, more impactful. Every day you grow from reactive to proactive, from scattered to focused, from isolated to connected. That's how lives are changed. That's how legacies are built. That's how ordinary people become extraordinary leaders, not by accident, but by habit. So today, choose to lead your life. Don't wait for circumstances to change. Change your response. Don't wait for clarity to show up. Create it. Don't wait to feel ready. Start now. These are the voices of effectiveness. These are the principles that awaken greatness. These are the habits that shape destinies. You have everything you need inside you: clarity, courage, discipline, vision. Let today be the day you stop drifting. Let today be the day you decide. Decide to become effective, not someday, but now. Decide to live a life built on principles. Decide to master these habits not as tasks but as truths. The kind of truths that build people, the kind that shape nations, the kind that echo far beyond your own time. Let these habits live in your choices. Let them speak through your actions. Let them guide your character when no one is watching, because who you are when it's hard, that's who you really are. And when you choose to live by these timeless principles, even when no one else is watching, that's when transformation begins. That's when effectiveness becomes greatness. Last but not the least, good habits build discipline, and discipline builds the future you dream of. Thank you so much for watching this video.